Welcome to Money Mind YouTube channel. Are you ready to uncover the secrets to making money? Look no further. Here are some valuable insights that can help you on your journey to financial success. Number 1. Invest in yourself. The best investment you can make is in your own personal growth and development. Whether it's improving your skills, knowledge, or health, investing in yourself will pay off in the long run. Number 2. Change your perspective. Just like moving a camera to capture different parts of a scene, changing your point of view can give you a more complete picture of your finances. Take a step back and evaluate your financial situation from different angles. Number 3. Be prepared for loneliness. As you strive for success, you may find that being a leader or the best in your field can be isolating. Some people may become distant or envious. Stay focused on your goals and surround yourself with a supportive network. Number 4. Explore online money-making opportunities. The internet offers a plethora of ways to make money online. From content creation to secret money-making websites, there are various avenues to explore. Number 5. Create high-quality content. If you're interested in content creation, focus on producing high-quality content that resonates with your audience. Answer their questions, provide useful tips, and avoid duplicate or poor content. Number 6. Choose resonant topics. When creating content, pick topics that will resonate with your readers. Understand their interests, pain points, and desires, and tailor your content to meet their needs. Number 7. Consistency is key. To build a loyal following and attract readers or customers, consistently deliver high-quality content. Post regularly and maintain a high standard of content production. Number 8. Continuous learning. The world of money and finance is constantly evolving. Stay updated with the latest trends, strategies, and opportunities. Continuously educate yourself to stay ahead of the game. Number 9. Take calculated risks. Building wealth often involves taking calculated risks. Be willing to step out of your comfort zone and seize opportunities that have the potential for significant returns. Number 10. Manage your finances wisely. Develop good financial habits such as budgeting, saving, and investing. Take control of your money and make informed decisions to maximize your financial potential. Number 11. Seek professional advice. If you're unsure about certain financial matters, don't hesitate to seek advice from professionals. Financial advisors can provide guidance tailored to your specific situation. Number 12. Stay persistent and patient. Building wealth takes time and effort. Stay persistent, stay focused, and be patient. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your financial empire. By applying these money secrets to your life, you can set yourself on a path towards financial success. Remember, it's never too late to start, and every small step counts. Good luck on your journey to financial prosperity. Thank you. Watching my channel.